Let's build the initialize method for the simple moving, average crossover strategy. The setup is similar to buy and hold, but with a few extra lines. Start with set start date, set end date, and set cache. Use the same date range and starting cache as before. Then add SPY using adequity with resolution.daily. Now the indicator lines. Create the fast-moving average. Use SMA, pass in SPY and set the period to 10. Assign it to underscore fast. Create the slow-moving average. Use SMA again, pass in SPY and set the period to 50. Assign it to underscore slow. Then add two tracking variables. Set underscore prevfast to 0 and underscore prevslow to 0. These will store the previous bar's values so you can detect the moment a crossover happens. That is the full initialize method. The indicators and the two tracking variables need to exist here before OnData starts running.